zoo, but when they're there, they're really happy to have free food.
Hey, let go of the key! Stop it! Give me that back right now! Hey, stupid monkey, what have you done? Bad monkey!
Mo, Joe, what's the holdup?
It's the monkey, boss!
He kinda...
Escaped?
He sorta swiped the keys and threw them away.
What? Get me my monkey back! Good thing I've got an extra set of keys.
Puppy! Ready to learn a new trick, puppy? Ready? 1, 2, 3, fetch! Where are you going? Oh, come on, puppy. Fetch the ball, not the butterfly.
Looks like you made a new friend.
I don't think he's ever gonna learn to fetch.
Don't be so hard on him, Matt. Yeah, that's just Puppy's nature. He's curious and full of puppy energy, but he'll learn.
Uh-oh. An animal's in danger. All right, Petronix defenders, to the patrol!
Let's roll!
We've arrived in Costa Rica. Now let's see what's going on.
Come back here, monkey!
Danny McTrap!
That monkey's in trouble.
I wouldn't be so sure about that. That's a Capuchin monkey. Those monkeys are super smart and can solve all kinds of problems.
Maybe so, but that monkey doesn't stand a chance against that gadget. It's dangerous.
We better make sure he stays safe. Tim and I will stay at HQ in case you need backup.
Petronix defenders,
To the rescue!
let's go.
Oh, haven't you flunkies caught that monkey yet?
Almost, boss.
Boss, once the monkey goes for the mango, boom, back in the cage.
You have our monkey back guarantee. Get it?
Hey, monkey, that's cheating!
Give us back the mango. Whoa, nice one, boss.
Now to find the trap. If only we could see through these leaves.
Not a problem. Activating supervision.
Not so clever after all. Are you, monkey? Soon you'll be in Mac Trap's marvelous zoo.
No! Not again!
It's okay, you flunkies. I have more.
They're locking up the monkey. We've got to act fast. If we can only fetch those keys somehow.
Oh?
Puppy! So much for a sneak attack.
Well, you did say that.
Yeah, maybe he does understand. Come on.
Boss, we got company!
Well, if it isn't Robo-Mutt, that means the Petronix defenders are sniffing around here somewhere.
Look, the dog is on the cage. Hey, that monkey's got the keys again.
Oh no! You're not going anywhere! That'll teach you to interfere, you mechanical mongrel!
Puppy!
I'm warning you, if you don't come down... Froggy's killed!
Yes, boss.
Oh, that's it! I'm done messing around!
Leave that monkey alone, McTrap!
Well, if it isn't the Petronix defenders, you're too late. I got your wind-up, pup. Ooh, an angry red Petronix. I shudder.
You'll see, McTrap!
Talk too much.
Hey, stupid monkey! And I would have had that monkey if that canine clanker hadn't fetched my keys and freed him.
Puppy, did you really do that? So you do know how to fetch after all.
Told ya. He just does things in his own puppy way.
We'll get you out of there in a flash.
He's mine now. Unless you want to find out what else the Mech Trapper 3000 can do. Hey! Ouch! Hey! Give me back my Mech Trapper 3000!
Huh? Hey, she wants to use her claws.
Get us out of here, kitten!
Hang on, puppy. Launching Sizzle Force. Puppy, you're safe.
Stupid monkey! I'm gonna catch you!
No.
Give me my gadget, you cheeky monkey!
Hey, that's no way to talk to him.
It's a monkey! He doesn't mind that! Bleh.
Sure he does. Animals understand way more than you think.
Right, Tim. Unlike you, McTrap.
Unlike you, Mick Trap. No?
You were right, Tim. Capuchin monkeys are really smart.
Stupid monkey! No, no! Don't touch the buttons! Come back with my chopper!
Uh-oh, we've got to save them.
Petronix, Max Mode! Yes, puppy!
Go, kitten!
Help! I can't hang on much longer!
Almost in position. Let's save McTrap and the monkey.
No!
Go! Safety vest.
Wait, what happened?
Come in, Matt. We tracked down the chopper. Better hurry. It's heading south.
All right, now let's play fetch, Petronix Defender style. Activate glider wing. Steady. Activate. Petronix Bolted. I missed it.
Come on, lads, we're out of here.
But what about the monkey, boss?
He's staying right here. I never want to see another monkey as long as I live. Nothing but trouble.
What do you think, little fella?
What do you think that means?
I'm pretty sure he said, another animal saved, team. Mission accomplished.
All right, lads, we're out to trap a snow leopard. They call them the ghosts of the mountain.
We're trapping a ghost, boss?
Huh? No, a snow leopard. But they're hard to find. That's why I have this.
Wow. But what is it, boss?
Using my new radar gadget, I can find any critter around here.
That's one smart doodad. Ooh, look, there's 3 of them now.
That's us, you nincompoodle. Can't hide from me, Snow Kitty. Oh, but looky here. After it, boys! Soon, everyone will be able to see that cat in Mac Trap's furry feline zoo.
Kitty, kitty.
Yeah!
4 turtle shells, 5 turtle shells.
Quick, buddy,
6
over
turtle
here.
shells, 7 turtle shells, 8 turtle shells, 9 turtle shells, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Come out wherever you are. Gia, kitten, puppy.
Puppy, you gave us away. You were supposed to stay hidden.
Aw, it's not his fault. He just didn't understand. Did you, boy?
Uh-oh, an animal's in danger. Hold that thought. Let's go, Petronix team. To the patroller.
Let's move!
Okay, we've landed in the Himalayas. Let's see what's up.
Danny McTrap! Aw, how mean! He's captured that cute, adorable snow leopard for his terrible zoo. Don't worry, kitten. We'll help your big cat friend.
Tim, Gia, we'll need your help from HQ. It can get pretty foggy up in the snowy mountains.
You got it! We'll keep you on course. And I'm coming with you.
Great! Petronix defenders,
Ready to rescue!
Let's go!
Matt, Emma, McTrap and his flunkies are headed to his base camp. You better move in fast and cut him off before he gets there. Yeah, because thick fog is rolling in.
Copy that. We're on our way.
It's kind of spooky around here, boss.
Why are you whimpering, wallabies? Radar's ping.
I hope it's not the ghosts of the mountain.
It's those pesky Petronix defenders. Come on, lads. It's time for a surprise trap.
It's getting tough to see in this fog. We'll have to go on foot. Don't worry, puppy. It's just fog. Nothing to be afraid of. Tim, Gia, do you have an update on McTrap's location?
Yeah, be careful. He's just up ahead with the snow leopard. I don't know how he found one. They're called ghosts of the mountain. What did they say?
Gia, Tim, can you repeat?
He said that he can't McTrap
say ghosts?
He definitely said ghosts.
Puppy, are you okay? Puppy, wait! What are you doing? Come back!
Now, boys!
Puppy! Puppy! Huh? It's a trap!
Nope, it's a Mac trap! Let him have it! What's the matter, you pesky Petronix? You're looking a bit tied up! That was too easy! You'll have to do better than that to stop Daddy McTrap!
Don't worry, I'll get you out. Launching Sizzle Force! Is everyone okay?
Thanks, Matt. We're okay. But that snow leopard definitely isn't.
How about you, puppy? Aw.
Petronix Defenders, this is HQ. Do you copy?
We hear you, HQ. Loud and clear. Go ahead.
Our comms link cut out because of the fog, but we've boosted the signal.
What happened out there? That meanie McTrap was ready for us.
Puppy got scared when he heard there were ghosts everywhere and ran right into his trap.
Ghosts? I was talking about snow leopards. They're called ghosts of the mountain because they use their white fur to stay hidden in the snow.
Oh, okay. It's okay, buddy. You just misunderstood.
It's normal to be scared of things when we don't understand. What I don't understand right now is how McTrap knew you were coming.
Hey, maybe the patroller can caught something.
Huh? There! McTrap has some kind of radar gadget that he used to track you.
That's how he must have tracked down the snow leopard, too.
Sneaky. Can you block his gadget so he can't see us coming again?
On it. And blocked. Great, thanks. So what's the plan to rescue the snow leopard?
Well, we'll need to be really good at staying hidden, just like the ghost of the mountain.
Ah, poodle dirt! My radar stopped working. You wait here with that fluff ball while I fix it.
Maybe it's the ghost that broke it.
I keep telling you, goons, there's no such thing as ghosts!
Okay, we'll stay out of sight.
And scare them like ghosts, so we can save that snow leopard.
Launching sound disc.
Who's that?
Oh!
Now, Gia.
Piano phone power!
Who's there? Who's there?
Who's there?
Joe, where are you?
Hey, what are you doing outside? I'm working hard here!
It's up to you.
Copy that. They're ready for their ghost costume.
Joe?
Oh, where did you go?
This thing is busted. Hey, where are those two scaredy cats? I bet they're hiding from the ghost. No one scares me. Mo, Joe, get back here and pack up the camp.
Now for the next part of our plan.
Petronix mass mode.
Get into position.
Where are those dithering dingbats?
In position.
Okay, HQ, we're in place.
Joe?
It's starting again!
Go, kitten.
What's happening? What? You think you scare me? It's
you can release them.
Copy that.
Another animal save team.
Mission accomplished.
I see you, Emma and Kitten. Well, I found almost everybody except Puppy. Where could he be?
I bet he's around here somewhere. Hidden right under our noses.
Listen up, lads. We're gonna trap a wolf today to make my zoo a howling success. Yeah. Let me show you fidgety flunkies how it's done with my new bouncy gotcha goo.
Your gotcha goo didn't get anything, boss.
Quit fooling around and get a cage ready, you dingo go balls. Gotcha! That was too easy. Stay away from me, would ya?
Everything all right, Matt?
Yes, no, perfect.
Okay, kids, class dismissed. Remember to hang up your artwork to dry.
No! My painting's ruined!
It's okay, Matt. More fear than harm.
Hey, is everything all right, Matt?
No, since this morning I've been accumulating disasters. Everything is going wrong.
Aw, let's hug it out. Everyone has bad days.
Thanks, Emma. Uh-oh, an animal's in danger. Let's go, Petronix! Let's go, Petronix team!
To the patrol!
We've landed in Mongolia. Now let's see what the problem is. A wild animal shouldn't be in a cage. Don't worry, buddy. We'll help him.
No wonder Puppy's concerned. Wolves are in the dog family. And it says here they travel together in a pack.
Oh, and this one's so little. He can't fight back against the baddie.
That's where we come in.
Tim can help, plus G and I are ready for backup.
All right, then. Let's do this. Petronix Defenders,
To the rescue!
let's go.
Would you like to be in my zoo too? Well, looky here, boys. It's the beauty Petronix Defenders.
Why don't you?
Stick around.
Stop it right now, Danny McTrack.
Let that wolf pup go.
They are so despicable.
Launching! Boom! Oh, no! My Petronix gauntlet!
Gotcha!
Yeah!
Puppy, no!
And I'm gonna get your tin can mutt too. That should keep them busy. Let's go, lads.
Watch out! free him?
I sure can. Hydro shield on!
Puppy, you're safe. Calm down, puppy. I'm happy we're back together too. You... Oh, yuck! I'm full of sludge. Don't worry, buddy. You didn't do anything wrong. This just ain't my day. The trap must be long gone by now.
We'll find him.
Way to go, boss. You got rid of the Petronix.
And get the wolf pup. Your zoo's gonna be great.
Ho ho! Why stop at great when I can have the greatest zoo of all? We're gonna trap the whole wolf pack! What do you think? Of course, that's a brilliant idea!
How do we do that, boss?
Wolves howl to each other, don't they? So start howling.
Like this, boss? Wait, watch me now! Ow! Ow!
That's it, lads. Soon the whole pack will come running right into our trap.
What's happening? This is the worst day ever!
Guys, listen up. The wolf pup's family is heading right towards that mean trapper. Huh? I bet he's planning to trap them all.
Okay, that's it. I have to turn this day around.
That's the spirit, Matt. When a bad day gets you down, you've just got to get right back up.
You're right. Let's go rescue that wolf family. Petronix, let's move! Let's go!
There!
All right, Wolfies. I'm gonna get you with gotcha goo.
There he is!
Out of my way, Robo-Dog boy!
Launching boom disc!
Come on, boys! Let's get out of here!
You didn't think we'd actually let you get away, did you?
Ah, poodle dirt!
After them!
Wanna stick to me like glue? Then have a little more gotcha goo!
Now! Catch it, buddy!
Jet spray on!
Launching boom disc!
Hey, no!
Time to create our own luck. And luckily, I've got a plan. You know how we always help each other out? The wolf pup also has a team he can count on.
Right, the wolf pack. Wolves are super loyal to each other.
I bet Puppy can get their help. Sounds like it's working.
Come in, Matt. Sending McTrap's new location now.
Thanks, Gia.
Oh! Back for more! Not again! Wolfies, down! You don't scare me! I'm not afraid! No! Oh, Joe!
Johnny, boss!
Launching rope.
Aw, look how cute.
Another animal save, team.
Yay, we did it!
Huh? What you got there, buddy? Whoa, my gauntlet! You found it! Thanks, guys. Aha! Mission accomplished.
Welcome to my Princess Puppet Show! Once upon a time, there was a pretty dolly who wanted a pet, so she claimed a fox pup.
Ooh, brava! How delightful!
We need music!
Of course!
Focus! I'm gonna take you and put a bow on you and name you Foxy.
So all we have to do is jump on the launch pad, and this rocket will zoom sky high.
Cool!
Okay, ready for countdown?
3, 2, 1, lift off!
Hey, what you doing, buddy? Oh. It's a bit selfish, puppy. Now that you've broken the rocket, nobody can play with it anymore. We need to think of our friends and share. Uh-oh, looks like our next rocket launch will have to wait. An animal's in danger. Let's go, Petronix team, to the patrol! There's trouble in England.
Aw, how cute!
Foxy, look at me!
But that's not cute. Princess Pet Swiper swiped that wild fox.
Foxes do belong in the wild, but it says here they're members of the dog family. Fox pups can be super playful.
You mean like puppy?
Yep, but they can also be really tricky.
You two should totally handle this mission together. You're the dog experts.
Looks like Puppy's extra excited to save that little fox. Aren't you, boy? Petronix, defenders,
Ready to rescue!
let's go.
And now, the moment you've been waiting for! The big finish!
There's more?
Huh?
I mean, carry on, Princess.
Hey! That's not part of the show! Get her, Pete! Back in position, Foxy! Peeves!
Oh, sorry, Your Highness. Oh my, I've been outfoxed.
Well, don't dawdle, Peeves!
Yes, your brattiness.
After her! I want my pet back! Foxy, The fox pup ran away.
The princess and Peeves are after the fox pup, and they're just up ahead. Better move fast.
Found her!
Thanks, Gia. Puppy and I will save her in a flash. Good job, Puppy. We found her.
Yeah! Foxy! Foxy!
I know you want to play, buddy, but don't forget, we're on a mission.
Ugh, not you pesky Petronix again! Get away from my fox! Come to Dolly, Foxy!
No can do, Princess. This fox pup isn't yours, and she isn't a pet.
Hey! My scepter! Peeves, go get it!
Right away.
Faster, Peeves!
I found it, Princess.
Careful, Matt.
Peeves has the scepter.
Launching throw!
No, no, no!
I believe our work here is done. Let's move out.
This isn't over yet. I'll be back for my Foxy. I need her for my show.
All right, little fox. You're home now. Aw, pretty fast mission, huh, buddy? Let's go home now. Aw, I know you're gonna miss that fox pup. I can almost hear her. Huh? How'd you get back here? And we did it. Phew. She's right behind me, isn't she? Oh, how do you keep doing that? Hey, puppy! No! Puppy! Huh?
This is turning into one tricky mission.
Wow, am I happy to see you in Kid 10.
We've got to hurry. Princess Pet Swiper's coming back.
Puppy, I know you want to play and all, but you're being selfish. I get it, but we can't keep her. The fox pup isn't a pet.
Aw, so cute.
And here you are, my mischievous majesty.
And now my show must go on. And you're not invited.
You just picked the wrong defenders to mess with.
Nice try. Voila! But you'll never get your hands on my pets now.
Oh yeah? Watch this. Activate Petronix boots. I'm here.
Impressive.
That's better.
Oh no! Pet Swiper swiped the fox pup again!
Come on, we've got to save your pal.
It's time for Petronix Fast Mode!
Dolly was so happy to have her Foxy back.
You're safe, little one.
Until the big bad Petronix arrived. Hey! My show isn't over yet!
Release her, princess.
We'll see about that.
Go, puppy.
You'll never catch us!
Go, Jingle Bells!
Miss, and missed again!
Emma.
Her scepter. Matt, take her scepter.
Copy that. Emma, let's do this together.
Yeah.
Activate glider wings.
What? Why are you looking at me like that? Go, Jingle Bell! Huh? Hey! Huh? Go, Super Lasso Tail! Gotcha. Here we go. You're safe now. The show's over, Princess.
Fine. I don't want that fox anyway. I want a treat, and I'm not sharing! Peeves!
At your service.
That selfish princess won't ever change.
Nope. Let's get this fox pup back to her den.
Yeah.
Let's go, puppy. I know it's hard, puppy, but your friend's happy here in the wild where she belongs. Besides, we can always visit. Another animal saved, team.
Mission accomplished!
That's right, puppy. We're going home to play. We have a rocket to rebuild.